Your hard work is about to start paying off. Congratulations once again, you are now eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, meaning you can earn money through pre-roll, mid-roll and post-roll ads on your long-form videos, super chats when you go live, super thanks on your regular videos, membership where fans can subscribe monthly to access some exclusive content, YouTube shopping where you can promote affiliate products or your own product, and short feed ads which show as people scroll through YouTube Shorts. I have a video on how you get paid on YouTube, everything you need to learn about YouTube payments. If you want to learn how the payments work on YouTube, please click the link above here. So what happens after you receive your congratulatory email or message in your YouTube Studio? Once you refresh your YouTube Studio app, you will get a pop-up notification that says you have unlocked a new way to earn. The first thing to do is to click on Get Started. Now, before you get started, you will need to provide few important things. The first one, you need to submit your tax information. You need to verify your identity and you need to verify your address. All these actions won't be done in the YouTube Studio app. They will all take place in your Google AdSense account. But before we head over there, let's first finish all the steps we need to take in the YouTube Studio. Go ahead and click on your profile picture, then select YouTube Studio. From here, click on Earn. And you will see this new page that says, congratulations, you are now a YouTube partner. And if you remember, we've done a video on what you should do once you hit your 3,000 watch hours, which is setting up your Google AdSense account. Because if you do not set it up, you won't have access to this option I'm about to show you. So make sure you click the link above this video to watch how to set up your Google AdSense account. Let's start with memberships. Click on Get Started, then click on Explore Next steps. The first thing you will set up is your membership offer, the special perks you will give your fans who choose to support you monthly. These perks are what makes your members feel more excited and appreciated. They feel loved and feel connected to you. The first one is loyalty badges. These are star-like icons beside your member's name. They show how long someone has been supporting your channel. This helps to build sense of identity and loyalty in your community. The next one is emojis. Your audience or your members can use these emojis in the comment section during your live or during the live chat. You can even decide to upload your own emojis yourself, so that option is available and we'll get into that very shortly. The next one is members shout out. This allows you to recognize your members during live stream by mentioning their name or their username. It's just a small gesture that makes a huge impact. The next one is members only shorts. This is when you create some special video shorts for your members alone. Only your members can access this. You can either use your existing short videos or you can create even a fresh one for them. If you are launching something special like a product, a course, or just an important video, you can give your members access before anyone else by clicking on this early access to videos. So it's like giving your members a front row seat to your content before others can get to see that content. Under discounted merchandise, if you are the type that have a shop or you sell a product online, you can offer exclusive discounts to your members using special codes. So this makes your supporters feel value and give them more reasons to buy from you using your special codes. So aside from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, you can decide that you want to create a special social media access for your audience by creating it through Discord. This gives them that bond and connection. Under members only posts, you can make community posts that are only visible to your members. The next one is members only chat. You can host a private chat, maybe through Discord or another platform where only your members can participate. This gives them a more intimate space to engage with you. The priority replies to comments. This feature lets you reply to your members' comments first, making sure you prioritize those who are supporting your channel financially before you support others. Members only live streams. You can choose to go live inclusively for your members alone, whether you are sharing a private update, lesson Q&A session, or just want to hang around with your members. Now, after all that, if you feel like there's still something extra you would like to add to the offer, click on this drop down arrow under add perks. Just click on add perks. You will see even more ideas you can include. But for me, I am satisfied with this option, so I will just cancel that part. Once you are done customizing, click on next. This is where we are going to be setting up our levels. This simply means creating different price points so your fans can choose what works best for them. You know they always say fingers are not equal. That's why we are just setting different prices. This way, everyone, no matter their budget, can support you in a way that's comfortable and convenient for them. If you look on my channel right now, you can see YouTube recommended where I should start from. It says I should start from level 2, 3, and 4. But yours might start from level 1 depending on whatever it is that they see that make them to recommend that I should start from level 2. Now let's go ahead and set up the price for my level 2. You can set up the price for your level 1 if yours starts from level 1 or from level 3. Doesn't matter. Scroll down, you will notice that we also need to set up level 1 within the level 2. This means anyone under your level 2 is actually at level 1 in terms of access and pricing. Now click the drop down arrow and choose how much you want your level 1 under level 2 to pay. For me, I will leave it at 1,000 naira, which is fair enough for level 1. And all these features are what the level 1 will have access to. Once you are done with that, scroll to level 2 of level 2. Click on the drop down arrow again and select the price. I will leave this price at 3,000 naira. The members under this category have even more access to some features. Now go ahead and repeat this same process for level 3 and your level 4. Set the prices and define what feature each level will have, just like we did for my level 2. Or just like you did for your own level 1 if you started from level 1. Once you are done, click on next. Now let's personalize your membership levels. This part is very fun because this is where you will get to name your levels instead of using the generic names like gold, silver, or diamond to name your levels. You can come up with something more fun and unique that your audience can quickly relate to. For example, you can decide to use your level 1 name to be my lovelies, or you can decide to use my friends. After that, let's set up our stickers for our loyalty badges. Click on the pencil icon. This is where you can choose the type of badges or icon that appears beside your members' names. You can either go with YouTube default badges, which are already nice, or you can upload your own. If you go with the YouTube's, new members get a blue badge. After they've spent 1 month, it changes to light blue. After 1 year, it turns orange, and so on. Since your members are paying for these things, you can create and upload your own custom badges or stickers. Same thing applies to emojis. And when you want to design or upload your image, you have to make sure the image is on PNG, GIF, or JPG, and it must be under 1 MB. And the width and height must be 32 by 32 pixels with the ratio of 1:1. Once your emojis is uploaded, give it a unique name. I personally love love, so I named something along those lines. Now, as your audience grows, you can add more emojis. YouTube allows that. Also, you can create a special family name for your members. For my own, I'm just going to use my channel name for this part. You can decide to use something more fun and more creative. It doesn't matter. Now that your emojis and badges are set, it's time to create something for the members only live chat. Click the pencil icon here, and you're going to write a little bit of description about this particular feature. Make sure it is detailed. So the first thing your audience will see when they come to your to this particular part is they will read about it and know what you want to offer them. Then the next thing is your rules and regulation. After that, click on done and repeat the same process for all your levels, just like we did for level 1. For example, you can name your level 2 something like my super friends or anything that reflects your style. You can rename your level 3 too and repeat the emojis and setting as well as the rules for all the remaining levels. When that is done, you can scroll up and click on features, or you can just click on next. You will see these options that says YouTube can help promote your members. This is very interesting because the moment you have 8+ members, YouTube can highlight their profile picture on your channel page, display them in a special section on your video, or even allow them to send highlighted messages during your live. Now, this makes them feel more special and valuable, and this will even encourage others to be your member. So if you want that option, make sure you turn these 3 options on. After that, click on next again, and now you will be asked to review YouTube terms and policy. Please don't skip this part. Make sure you read through the membership policies, terms of service, and community guidelines. After reading it, check the first box to accept. After that, check the second box which says you agree that while you can add or delete levels, you won't be able to change the price of any levels once you confirm this. So make sure you are comfortable with the pricing before you move forward. If not, you won't be able to change it. Once everything looks good, click confirm. Next up, let's set up your supers. Now click on supers, then click on get started. After it loads, review the terms and policies again. Scroll down and check the box and click on accept. Make sure all these three toggles buttons are turned on. This will ensure your eligibility to earn from these features. So the moment you click on the super chat, it's going to turn the remaining two on. And finally, let's go to shopping. This part is for creators who sell products or are into affiliate marketing. If you talk about a product in your videos and you want your audience to easily buy it, this is where you link your online store to your YouTube. To do this, just scroll down, click on Setup, and choose your store from the list of the available platforms. Remember, you must have created accounts in those platforms before you come here to set it up. If you want me to make video for you on how you can create accounts in these platforms, please let me know in the comment section. Once you see yours here, select it and follow the on-screen steps. And that's it, my friend. In the next part, I will walk you through everything you need to do, including how to submit your tax information, how to confirm your identity and personal address, how to set up your payment method like your bank transfer or wired transfer, and how to receive and verify your AdSense PIN, which is very important step because without it, your earning won't be released. So make sure you don't miss that video. It's where the real money talks begins. Hit the like button if this video has helped you. Drop your question in the comment section, and most importantly, don't forget to stay tuned for the next part where we finalize everything to make sure your payment never gets delayed. See you in that video, and bye for now.